everyone. We are here to talk about on how to maintain and repair computer system.
But first, let me introduce myself. I am Marie Lurling Diginio.
I'm Ivy Ganyana. And I am Marian Socorro.
And I am Gabriel Casiano.
Now let's proceed and talk about on how to maintain our computer system. First, we need to clean the computer and its components, especially the system unit. In system unit, we need to clean it once in a while. Then, inside the system unit is the motherboard. In the motherboard, we have a CPU processor. We need to change the thermal paste every month. Lastly, of course, we need to maintain our computer's cleanliness so that it won't be damaged. Let's talk about on how to repair a basic problem that we might encounter in our power supply. So first, this is the power supply. Before we open our computer, let's check the power supply if it's correctly plugged in. And also, if it's not working, check the back of the computer if there's a cable that are not connected to the computer. Also, make sure that when you are done using your computer, ensure that all plugs are plugged out correctly.
Now that we've done discussing on how to maintain our computer, let's proceed on how to repair if ever you have a connection problem. So, first, you have to restart your computer. You have to click this window and restart to restart your connectivity. And if ever it's still not working, then now you will proceed to your modem. First, you have to check if all the connectors are perfectly connected, like this. If it's connected, then you have to check it if it's thoroughly connected. Then if it's perfectly connected and not working, then now it's time for you to unplug it. Unplug this modem. Then you have to wait for at least 1 minute or 2. Then you have to plug it again.
Since we cannot set up computer to a network, I will show you how to connect wireless using Wi-Fi repeater. For setting up device, let's have our Ethernet cable and Wi-Fi repeater. So we have just to plug the Ethernet cable outlet to the Wi-Fi repeater. And then let's plug it to the power outlet. So after plugging the wireless repeater, we can go to its IP address and set up password connection settings. Let's now move on setting up computer network. In our case, since we already have Ethernet cable connected to the router, we just have to connect it to the computer. Now, let's test the speed of our connection. The download speed of our connection is 808.24 Mbps. While the upload speed is 940.97 Mbps. That's all.